Welcome back to Auto Review, your ultimate destination for in-depth insights into the most exciting vehicles hitting the road. Today, we're diving into something truly unexpected and game-changing, the 2025 Kia Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. Kia has officially entered the motorhome scene, and the result is a bold mix of innovation, comfort, and performance that could reshape the future of mobile living. Starting off with the exterior, the 2025 Kia Motorhome sports a design that's sleek yet commanding. Unlike the bulky, boxy motorhomes we're used to, Kia has embraced a more streamlined silhouette with smooth, aerodynamic contours and integrated LED lighting that runs seamlessly from front to rear. The front fascia carries Kia's signature tiger nose grille, giving it a recognizable face on the road, while flush-mounted headlights and a sculpted hood give it a modern and premium look. The large panoramic windshield doesn't just aid visibility but adds to the futuristic aesthetic. Along the sides, power-operated awnings and retractable steps add a functional flair. The body is crafted with lightweight composite materials, enhancing both fuel efficiency and driving agility. Plus, with its high ground clearance and available off-road package, this motorhome isn't just for paved roads, it's ready for any adventure. Moving inside, the interior of the 2025 Kia Motorhome is where things get truly impressive. Step through the sliding side door and you're welcomed by a spacious, tech-forward living environment that feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. Kia has paid special attention to materials, offering sustainably sourced wood trims, soft-touch surfaces, and customizable ambient lighting. The layout includes a convertible lounge area with plush seating that transforms into a queen-size bed, a fully equipped kitchenette with an induction cooktop, smart fridge, microwave, and a surprisingly spacious wet bath complete with a rainfall shower and eco-friendly toilet system. Multiple skylights flood the interior with natural light during the day, while blackout shades provide privacy and comfort at night. The tech suite inside the cabin is futuristic. A centralized digital control hub lets you manage everything: lighting, climate, water usage, solar power levels, and entertainment, all from a large touchscreen or your smartphone. Wireless charging pads, USB-C ports, and Wi-Fi connectivity come standard, and the 32-inch smart TV paired with a Harman Kardon sound system makes downtime feel like a home cinema experience. The cabin is also fitted with modular furniture and customizable storage compartments, allowing owners to tailor the space to their lifestyle, whether that's remote work, family travel, or full-time van life. Under the hood, the 2025 Kia Motorhome is equally compelling. Powering this beast is a hybrid drivetrain combining a 2.5-liter turbocharged engine with dual electric motors, delivering a combined output of around 300 horsepower. The motorhome offers smooth acceleration, excellent torque delivery, and a quiet ride thanks to its hybrid system. The regenerative braking helps recharge the battery, and there's also an option for plug-in charging. With an estimated range of over 600 miles on a full tank and battery, this motorhome isn't just efficient, it's ideal for long-haul trips. The suspension is tuned for comfort, using Kia's adaptive dampers to absorb bumps and maintain ride stability even on uneven terrain. The steering is light yet precise, and the vehicle includes multiple drive modes, including Eco, Comfort, and Off-Road. All-wheel drive comes standard, and driver assistance features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and automated parking make maneuvering this large vehicle feel much easier than you'd expect. It's also equipped with a 360-degree camera system, giving a bird's-eye view which is incredibly helpful when parking or navigating tight spaces. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Kia Motorhome is offered in 3 trims: Base, Adventure, and Luxe. The base model starts at around $79,000, offering all the essentials for a comfortable road life. The mid-tier Adventure trim, which includes off-road enhancements, solar panels, and upgraded battery capacity, is priced at approximately $92,000. The top-end Luxe model, with all the bells and whistles including premium finishes, level 2 autonomous driving, and a larger energy storage system, tops out around $108,000. For what it offers, this price range is highly competitive, especially considering the advanced tech, premium interior, and hybrid performance. So, there you have it, the 2025 Kia Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a complete lifestyle upgrade. Whether you're a weekend warrior, a digital nomad, or someone looking to explore the open road in style, Kia's first entry into the motorhome world is a serious contender. Let us know in the comments if this is the kind of motorhome you take on your next journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit